Rightio, you know why we're here? We're unboxing the IAG stage block. Giddy up. Been waiting a while for this, but thanks to Car Mods Australia getting it done. My man. Let's have a look. She's packed, bloody beautiful. You won't believe it, but I borrowed a ute to go and pick it up and it fit in the back seat. Amateur. So, why IAG? Well, they're a leader in CB engine for a long time, so it's a no-brainer. And Car Mods Australia, you can get it in the country. There you go. Oh yeah, and I'd like to say thanks to Daniel Callow, putting the effort in, mate. A good bloke. Go and see him, he'll sort you out. Looked after me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And just tight. You right? You keeping it steady there?
Yeah.
One job. Come on. Oh man. This is my first tools here. Oh, gee. Don't get a band-aid, hit me in the face. Come on. There we go. That one is far away. Oh, that is packed well. That is packed. God, I'm dying for this. Here we go. Okay, where's some of the heads? There, so let's spin this around properly. Don't want to unbox this like amateurs. Don't trip on that, Marissa. Rightio. There she comes. The big booze on it. Shit. Yeah, look at that. That's packaging. Next level. So this is the stage 2 Tuff block that you can get from Car Mods Australia at a mad price. Just a smidge over 6 Gs, 625 brake horsepower rated. Oh, here we go. This is engine build number 4113, and she's mine. Look at that. Oh.
Give it a kiss, Marty.
Oh. Where's Huddy when you need him? They're like, hey, she's a beauty. Oh. There it is. Giddy up. Carmel's Australia. Go and get it.